go, you guys. We're going to that bridge right there. It's our first look at the gorge.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you have a heights thing. It's okay. You're okay right here.
Oh my gosh, that's the zip line.
Oh, nah.
Oh no.
I think I'll pass.
Oh.
I actually considered it, but you know, no.
Oh no.
Ooh. Shall we do this? We're the only ones here going across. Wow. Let's do this. Okay, we're not quite to the bridge yet, but look at this walkway out over the... Ooh.
No. You get the thing looped on your wrist?
No, I don't have this looped on my wrist. It's probably a very good idea. Okay. It is secure. I mean... I'm going.
Bye.
Woo! What'd you do? A loose board. He just had a mini heart attack.
I think they do that on purpose.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh.
Wow. You've seen enough?
Makes me feel all funny.
Yeah. Did I mention it's cold?
Yeah.
I
That's
mean-
why are we the only ones crossing this giant gorge?
You know it's gonna be super cold out on the bridge, and it was like 20 at camp. Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Yeah. I'm walking on the supports, but oh, you can see down through there. Don't look down
Oh
there.
gosh, no.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh.
No, don't look down. There's no way I'm ziplining this.
This is awesome, though.
Give it a little jump, Kat.
No, don't do that. Stay over there. Stop it. Stop. Stay away. Ken Fuller's an idiot.
He's a legend. How you feeling?
Oh, I'm great. That's hilarious.
Okay, but what's this? This is a spot where David Kirk made his bungee rope jump for ABC TV's That's Incredible. Nope. We made it to the other
But we
side.
gotta go back.
Ah, look at this. This is impressive.
individual strands connected in these cables.
Then they get
And
so
they go,
stronger.
And then they come together into one. It's all the way across.
Yeah. That was amazing. Just walking across the bridge was exhilarating. They have other things happening here too. They have a guided climbing tour.
Here's this pamphlet.
Okay.
You can see it. Where's the sunlight here?
Put in the sun. Yeah, that's fine.
So yeah, guided tour. Obviously you can, I guess like 1,200 feet up. Yeah, fly through there in the highest zip line in America, more than 1,200 feet above the Arkansas River. The Sky Coaster, there's swinging there, but see that, I didn't realize that's what that was.
Yeah, I don't know if they can see it on screen, but it's somewhere up in here.
But there's the gondolas.
Yeah.
It's just
It's really cool.
yeah, I would highly recommend coming here like we did. Probably, I'm assuming April is off season and first thing in the morning. It's now 10 o'clock and the place is filling up.
Yeah, I think just the bridge is open at 8 o'clock. But if you're coming to do other stuff, that opens at 10. So that worked out for us.
I have zero desire to do a gondola or a zip line or whatever that swinging thing is.
I thought about the zip line for a minute. I actually did contemplate
For
it.
a full minute?
Yeah.
Wow.
At least. But I've bungee jumped and I didn't like it. 10-10 would not do again. It felt like death and I don't like that feeling. So I kind of feel like I would have that same feeling.
She doesn't like that death feeling.
No. I legit thought I was going to die. I didn't like come off of it thinking, whoo, I feel so alive. It wasn't one of those moments. It was more like, wow, I was very close to death. That was stupid. So anyway, I love the way we travel, when we're not in a hurry to get somewhere and we're just like exploring the back roads and come across things like this. I love the surprise. The surprise of the cool campground and the awesome view and even the snow, like that's a surprise. We've been keeping an eye on the weather, but it's cold. Everywhere's cold really for the next couple days. So we're just
some
gonna...
good weather, some really nice weather coming up here within the next, I think 3 or 4 days. We're gonna have in the 70s, even some days in the 80s, even where we're going. I think we're heading towards Utah.
Yeah.
It's gonna take us.
We're gonna poke along though.
It's gonna take us a while. I want to take our time cutting across through the mountains here in Colorado, and I got a quick run in last night. My first run in Colorado.
At like 6,000 feet elevation?
7,000.
7,000 feet.
And I felt it. And it was pretty cold out. I was just trying to get... So since this is the 48th state and the lower 48 that we've been to, so we've been to all of the lower 48 now, which is amazing when you consider we haven't kind of tried to. So I've ran in all of them, I'm sure. So I guess I saved the best for last, because for trail runners out there, this is like the Mecca. This is where the ultra marathons are that I would love to do one day. I think the most I've done was I did 150K, a trail up on Mount Hood in Oregon, but I'd love to do some, bigger events, maybe.
Yeah, there's some big ones here for sure.
But anyway, let's head back down up this mountain, try to get some warmer weather.
Yeah.
I'd like to get to a place where we could actually do some cooking outside today.
Yeah.
Yesterday when we were in the van, it was so cold.
It was too cold.
It was so cold out.
But beautiful. I mean,
I loved being up where we were. It was awesome.
I like the variety. Cold and you know what? You know what I like? This warm van. So we were out there, I don't know, quite a long time, and it is very, very cold out. We just kept this heater on. 71, and this little girl is nice and warm. She wasn't even backed by the heater at all. She was up here up front. So
it's so funny when it's cold out. She knows it, even if it's warm in here, because she has. Usually when we want to go out. Usually when we go outside, she's like, "Don't leave without me. I'm going with you." But when it's like cold like this or rainy or windy, she's like,
she wants to be a part of it.
Have a nice day. I'm staying here.
Yeah.
Look at her.
She's a good girl.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys down the road. Carry on.